Hi my friends, today I want to show you how to make the beautiful money flower. Let's go! We need $4 bills, a double-sided tape. If you want to have a flower like mine, turn over the bill. Fold the upper right corner down. Fold the upper left corner down. Turn over and fold the excess part along the edge. Unfold and fold it back. Fold in half, unfold. Fold both bottom corners to the top, unfold. Turn over. Fold in half, unfold. Fold the left and right edges to the center, unfold. Turn over and fold in half again. Fold both parts as I'm showing. Fold the edge to the center crease. Open it and flatten. Fold this edge to the center crease. Open it and flatten. Hide the excess corner inside. Fold the right corner down. Fold the center crease to the diagonal one. Remember the new crease. Unfold the bill and make a mounting fold. The center crease is a valley fold. Fold the left corner up. Turn over. Fold the bottom left edge to the center. Unfold it and fold inside. The module is completed. Fold 4 modules. Connect them together with using a double-sided tape. Insert the corner into the pocket. The flower is completed. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Bye bye!